I have this sample Python code here, and I'm just importing NumPy, and I'm creating a few arrays here, performing some operations, slicing them, reshaping them, and finally generating random numbers and printing all those stuff. So if I try to run this, as you can see, I get this error that says ModuleNotFoundError, no module named NumPy. Now this is because we have not installed NumPy in our Python installation yet. So we will install NumPy using pip, and then this error will be gone. So the command is pip install NumPy. And if you don't have pip installed, you'll get an error when you run this command. So if that is the case, check the link in the description. It will show you how you can install pip. Hit enter, and now as you can see, NumPy installation has started. Let's wait till the installation is complete. While this is processing, check out our brand new awesome coding merch. We've got t-shirts, hoodies, we've got stickers for laptops or notebooks, cups, bags, and a lot more. Get it today from the link below. After the installation is complete, you will see this message that says successfully installed NumPy. Now, you can close this terminal by clicking this delete button, or what you can do is, if you are in this terminal here, you can just try to run this again by clicking the up arrow, and when you see this Python and then your file name, you can just hit enter. Or let's close this and just click on this play button here. This will run the code, and this time you should not see an error. And as you can see, random numbers are printed, reshaped array is printed, and array slicing is printed. So we have successfully imported NumPy, and we have run some code using it. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.